and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and today's tip is all about dark noise. Dark noise is a white noise or ambient noise app for iPhone and iPad. It has a series of sounds designed to give you a nice background, whether that's to drown out noisy neighbours or help you drift off to sleep. I'm going to focus on the iPhone version of dark noise, but the iPad version is nearly identical, so if you prefer to use it there, you shouldn't run into any difficulties. Dark Noise is a one-time purchase of $3.99 from the App Store, and it doesn't have any in-app purchases or subscriptions. When you first open Dark Noise, it's ready to go with a white noise sound and the play button. If you tap on the play button, then of course it's going to play the white noise for you. It does start at a low volume and then it increases that to the volume set on your device. When you tap pause, then it decreases the volume before pausing. Across the bottom of the screen, we have our volume bar, which we can drag the slider across, and this is also controlled by the volume buttons on your device. Above the volume on the left-hand side, we have our playback destinations. These are all of our AirPlay devices and any connected Bluetooth devices, such as headphones. On the right-hand side, we have a sleep timer option, and this actually has two options inside of it. First of all, we have a specific duration option where we can say that we want dark noise to play for an hour or 5 minutes or however long before it pauses. The other option, which we can select here, is where we can say that we want the noise to stop at a specific time. The most important button though, aside from the play button, is right in the middle above the volume bar. Select Noise. When we tap on this, we can see the list of 42 different sounds divided into 7 categories. When you tap on any of these, like drippy rain, it starts playing, so you can hear what it sounds like. This is displayed across the bottom of the screen as well. You can tap on this to show a full view, and you can then tap on the Select Noise button to go back and see all of the different sounds.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.